Hello, nieces and nephews. It is I, your girl, Bad on BB, your favorite life changer, health coach, and aunt of YouTube. Today's segment will be on beauty because I got a BoxyCharm box, okay? Excuse me if I'm a little crazy today. I just had a lot of ice cream. Sugar-free, of course. Sugar-free and dairy-free, okay? But if you did not know, before we get into it, you might as well go ahead and like and subscribe right now, join the family, and make sure that you turn the notification bells on so you do not miss my content when it comes out. But yeah, I got a good old BoxyCharm box. I am on the PR list for BoxyCharm, so I do get a free box, a free base box, which is the type of box that I get. But I am not sponsored, I'm not paid to review, but I like getting the boxes because they make me feel happy and I get to share it with you guys. BoxyCharm is a subscription, cosmetic, skincare, skin product service that you basically subscribe to every month and you get free full-size goodies. This is perfect for the budget niece on a budget. And as you can see, I don't have any makeup on. It's pre-bedtime for me. But I've already looked inside the box and I know it's a lot of skincare stuff. So let's get into it. First, we've got, July, my birthday month. They put fantasy, you see it. I love it because as a Cancerian crab, you know, I just love all things sea related, so that's cute. And this also shows me everything that's in the box is on the back of this card. It's adorable. And I'm so happy they sent me this because I've only got 3 trifling sponges, okay? Actually, 2 right here, but there's 3. I have 3 trifling sponges, and every time my nieces and nephews come over, my nieces are tearing up my makeup section because they love to play in makeup. Girly girls, of course. But I definitely needed more sponges, and these are a makeup blending sponge set from MTU NYC. You get 4 soft, latex-free 3D makeup blending sponges in a variety of shapes to help you achieve the exact look you've been dreaming of. And it is retailing at $20. This box retails for $25 a month. So 4 sponges for $20 in 1 box. Whew. You know how you get bang for your buck? I get that boom from my buck. Okay. Ooh, and these are so soft and nice, like the True Blend sponges, and they're latex free. So if you're a makeup artist and you have clients who have latex allergies, you don't even have to worry. Oh my gosh, I'm so glad I didn't buy any sponges now since I got all these good free sponges from BoxyCharm. These are so awesome. Thanks, BoxyCharm. Next up, I have this Gen Skin. What the heck is this? I took off my press-ons and my nails are kind of weak right now. I do not want to use these to try to open up these packages. Like, guys, can I just open up my BoxyCharm box packages, please? I don't know what this is. Generation Skin Hydrating Marine Algae Eye Patches. It says it's firming, depuffing, and brightening, which I definitely need under my eyes. I have very allergy prone skin. So Generation Skin is these are hydrating marine algae eye patches. These marine algae eye patches are straight from the sea skincare savior, dense with vitamins, minerals, proteins, and essential fatty acids when applied to the delicate skin around the eyes. It helps firm, soothe, plump, and brighten like nothing else. Used for dewier, fresher looking peepers. It retails at $49.99, guys. So this product alone, if you buy it by itself, is twice as much as everything in this box, man. BoxyCharm boxes be the truth. Since it is nighttime, I don't see why I can't. Ooh, look at him. And this is what's inside of the little patches. Look at that. The little patches are in here. It comes with this little scoop. It's the mini spatula, or I guess this is the mini spatula. Use the mini spatula to lift and separate a patch. Apply a patch to clean, dry under eye area. Repeat on the other eye and wait approximately 10 to 15 minutes then gently peel off the patches. Lightly massage the remaining serum into the skin around the under eye for maximum results. Okay, well, say less. I sure will. Ooh, I like the feeling. Oh, I think I peeled a little bit of my patch off. Ooh. My face is nice and clean already. I purposely knew I was getting skincare stuff, so I didn't apply any of my moisturizer yet. So I'll just keep this on for another 15 to 20 minutes like so while we continue the BoxyCharm unboxing. But this is a really different sensation, man. Oh, my patch is peeling. They're sliding down my face. Okay, this is because I'm supposed to be relaxing when I put these on. But you know, this is relaxing, so whatever, I'm still gonna keep them. Next, the Dermelect Cosmeceuticals Outcrease Retinol Trifecta Serum. Okay. This successfully targets the look of fine lines, wrinkles, thick skin, and sun damage. Ooh, child, Lord knows I do not use sunscreen like I'm supposed to, so this might save me before the fall time. Retailing at $39, guys. Bloop. Boxy with the deal and the steal. How do you wear this though? Apply to cleansed skin, a drop to each cheek, forehead, chin, and under eye, 2 to 3 times a week, gradually increasing frequency as tolerated. Okay. It's a skin repair serum. It targets aging, fine lines, and wrinkles. I think BoxyCharm knew I was turning 30. You know, at 30, that's when you're supposed to be really on your anti-aging skincare, because some people age really bad at 30. I don't expect to be aging really bad, but it certainly doesn't hurt to make sure I'm nice and moisturized. Next up, Farmacy Whipped Greens Oil-Free Foaming Cleanser with moringa and papaya. Ooh, I love moringa. Moringa's an herb that's really good for diabetic people. It's good for regulating blood pressure. I don't know what it does in the skin, but I know papaya, you guys know your girl is a CBD detox queen. My favorite CBD detox tea, it has papaya extract in it, and papaya is a well-known detoxer. It gets mucus and all kinds of dusty things out of your colon. But what does it do for the face? I wonder. So I'm already impressed with the ingredients in this cleanser. It's an oil-free foaming cleanser with moringa and papaya. Draws out dirt, oil, and impurities by pollution, which, you know, I'm a city girl, so I am big on getting the pollution up out of my skin. Y'all already know that. Apply daily in the morning and in the night in a circular motion with, you know, just the usual. You guys have to follow me on TikTok and follow me on Instagram. I'll definitely be using all of these goodies in one way. Like, I'll probably put it on TikTok. Instagram really stinks right now. So follow me on TikTok, and that's where I'll show you guys my skin routine. This Farmacy, and I love how it's Farmacy, F-A-R-M, like a farm, like it's all natural stuff. I like that. Farmacy Whipped Greens Oil-Free Foaming Cleanser retails at $28. Again, this product alone is worth more than this box, but I'm getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things in one box just because I'm subscribed to BoxyCharm. Like, that's so cool. Guys, these algae things are so sliding down my face. I look forward to seeing what's really gonna happen. I need to lay down. Let me close this out real quick. Last but not least, I've got this cruelty-free, waterproof, and paraben-free Brows on Point $1 Billion Brows Pencil. Oh my gosh. It's in the color Taupe, which might be a little light for me now because I'm not bright blonde right now, but it's still dark enough. And it comes with a twisty brush. It looks similar to the eyebrow pencil that I already used by NYX, the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. It's pretty similar to that. Color's pretty nice, but it does look like it's waterproof. Like it doesn't budge easily, I can tell you that. So that's pretty cool. How much is this retail for? This retails for $16. When precision matters, this Brows on Point micro brow pencil will help you get the look you want. Wow. Thanks again, BoxyCharm, with the win. I got so many goodies, guys. Anyways, I am going to do my, rich aunt stuff, bad and bougie. That's what BB stands for in the Bad Aunt BB brand. So I'm gonna go rest and let these marine algae eye things bring my eyes to glory. And I'll tell you about it in the morning. Like I said, follow me on TikTok. Speaking of, there's no community without the you and the I. So make sure you're leaving a comment below. Give me a thumbs up if you're liking the content, want to see more content like this. Watch a couple of my other BoxyCharm reviews, unboxings. I got tons of stuff on this channel. Not just health, not just wellness, not just total life changes, but tons of stuff. So do check it out and communicate with me. And I love hearing from you guys on social media as well. So you'll definitely see more skincare stuff on TikTok. In the meantime, in between time, this was my July BoxyCharm unboxing. It's your girl, Bad Aunt BB, over and out.